The Power of Mine and Yours, Exploring Possessive Pronouns. Hello everyone. Welcome to another exciting lesson on English Grammar Fundamentals. Today, we're going to delve into the world of possessive pronouns. You'll learn how to identify them, use them correctly, and understand their importance in English communication. These words are extremely important as they help us express ownership and relationships between people and things. Let's get started. First things first, what are possessive pronouns? Well, they are words that replace a noun and indicate ownership or possession. The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. An important point to remember is that possessive pronouns are used without a noun. This distinguishes them from possessive adjectives, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, which are used with a noun. For instance, in the sentence, "This book is mine," mine is a possessive pronoun replacing the noun, possibly book, and indicating ownership. But in "This is my book," my is a possessive adjective modifying book. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some examples to truly understand how possessive pronouns work. 1. The car parked outside is mine. Instead of, the car parked outside is my car. 2. This isn't your pen. It's his. Instead of, this isn't your pen. It's his pen. 3. We love our house, but their house is bigger than ours. Instead of, we love our house, but their house is bigger than our house. 4. These dogs are not hers. They are theirs. Instead of, these dogs are not her dogs. They are their dogs. In each of these sentences, the possessive pronoun, mine, his, ours, theirs, replaces and refers to a noun mentioned earlier, and it clearly shows ownership. As we learn about possessive pronouns, it's also essential to avoid common mistakes. One common error is confusing possessive pronouns with possessive adjectives. Remember, possessive adjectives, my, your, his, her, its, our, their, need a noun after them. But possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs, stand on their own. Incorrect. This is not your. Correct. This is not yours. Incorrect. That book is her. Correct. That book is hers. And that wraps up our discussion on possessive pronouns. I hope you found this lesson helpful and you're now more confident in using these pronouns in your everyday communication. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these new terms whenever you can. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonders of English grammar.